Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the Environmental Science Seminar. Myself, Krutika Manohar Rao Makde of class BSc 3rd year Group CZ. Today's topic of my seminar is hazardous waste management. In this topic, I will explain you what is hazardous waste, sources of hazardous waste, characteristics of hazardous waste, hazardous chemicals and hazardous waste disposal method. What is hazardous waste? A hazardous waste is waste with properties that make it dangerous or capable of having the harmful effect on human health as well as on the environment. Example includes drain cleaners, oil paints, motor oils, antifreeze, fuel, poisons, pesticides, herbicides, fluorescent lamp, medical waste, cleaning chemicals, etc. Sources of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is generated from many sources, ranging from industrial manufacturing process waste to batteries, and may come in many forms including liquid, solid, gases and sludge. It includes clinical waste, waste oil, emulsion, waste formed from the production, formulation and use of the resins, latex, plasticers, etc. Waste resulting from the surface treatment of metals and plastics. Residues arising from the industrial waste disposal operation. Waste which contain certain compounds such as copper, zinc, cadmium, mercury, lead, etc. Residues arising from the incineration of household waste. Characteristics of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is characterized in the 4 different groups. Toxic, harmful if ingested or absorbed. It is carcinogenic and mutagenic. Examples of toxics are solvent, paint, strippers, pesticides, gasoline and used oil. Igniable. Igniable means easily flammable. Example, solvents, paints, thinners, gasoline and used oil. Corrosive, strong acid or base. Examples involve batteries. Reactive, unstable and can release toxic fumes. Examples, chlorine product and explosive. The largest source of hazardous waste is industry. Hazardous chemicals. There are different chemicals which are hazardous in nature. Examples include arsenic. Arsenic gets released into groundwater through agriculture, wood preservative and gas production. It can cause cancer, circulatory and respiratory problems. Lead. Lead is hazardous chemical that often occur near mining site. It can get into the food chain and cause heart disease. Benzene. Benzene can be released into the environment because of gasoline vapor and automobile exhaust that has been linked to leukemia. Chromium. Chromium has been used in the natural gas industry to prevent machinery and rusting. Zinc. Zinc is released into the atmosphere due to galvanized metal surface, motor oil spills and tire dust. It damages the aquatic life. Mercury. Mercury is one of the example of hazardous chemical. Mercury get into the atmosphere through metal processing and burning medical waste and more. Brain damage, kidney damage, immune system problem can result from the overexposure to mercury. Pesticide. Pesticide used in the industrial scale. Agriculture pesticide accumulates through the water runoff and find their way to water supplies. They can cause neurological and reproductive problems. Hazardous waste disposal method. There are different methods which are used for disposal of hazardous waste. First, land farming. Treated waste can be used as a fertilizer or soil conditioner. Deep well injection method. Deep well injection method is liquid waste removal process. This operation uses injection wells to put treated or untreated liquid waste into the geological formation that have no possibility of permitting the movements of contaminants into the potable water. Third is surface impediment. Encapsulation, fixation or contaminant of the waste. This method involves arresting or demobilizing the movement or migration of waste by containing it in hard core, clay soil, thermoplastic polymers and non-corrosive metallic containers, etc. Ocean dumping. Ocean dumping is the deliberate disposal of hazardous waste at sea from vessels, aircraft, platform and other human-made structures. It includes ocean incineration and disposal into the seabed and subseabed. Thank you.